Friends, today we are going to uh, learn the branching concept. In this branching, we are going to learn the how to create the branch and how to switch into the new branch and how to uh, how to make changes into the branch and how to merge the branch into the our main branch. Before going to see the branching concept, we are going to first once again we are going to see the tagging concept. But in this tagging, I'm going to see the differently, like how tagging is there for the other library. I'm going to here see the tagging for the Express.js module, like Express.js library. Here, how the tagging is available in this. First, I will go to the GitHub code. In this, I'm going to search the Express. Express. Search for GitHub. If you see this Express.js, in this, how the tagging is available. Here, if you see this, in this, there are 5,783 commits are available. Tags are 286 tags. 4.18.2 is the one tag and 4.18.1 is the another tag. Like these are tags. If you download the source code, if you want to download the source code, we are going to use this command http://github.com expressjs/express.git. How to download? We are going to use the one command called git clone. If you see in this web application directory, we have the some directories are from folders are available. In this, I'm going to clone my application, clone my Express.js project or Express.js library. In this, if you paste here this git clone and the HTTP URL, if you give and press the enter, it will clone the into the our local repository, our local system. It is cloning. See, 100%. It is cloned. Resolve the data. If you go to the Express code dot, so going to see there is a folder created or not. See, Express is created. If you go to the Express CD Express CLS code dot, if you open the VS code here, go to here. There are the VS code. Some code is there. That like this code is for the Express.js code. These are if you open the terminal here, if you see the git status, I have downloaded the master branch code origin master. If you see the commits like a log, we are going to use the log. It is the topmost log. This commit is the topmost history, actions and checkout build developed by the Douglas. This is developed author is made the changes by the Douglas on the Wednesday, November 1. I think it is 2023. In the year of 2023, he is made the changes. If you see the tags for this, if you see the tags, git tag. This command is used for the seeing the tags. See, if you come to the down, there are so many tags are available. I think we are going to using the 4.11.2. I think 4.18.2. Some other tags also there. These are in the alpha. If you open one source code in this handle REST APIs, in this open the backend. In this, if you open the package dot, open with okay, open with Visual Code, no problem. Open with Visual Studio Code. Dependencies there. Express dependencies here. I'm using the Express 4.18.2. If you see the in this tags, If you observe this 4.18.2 tag is available. Here if you see in detail, git show command is there, git show 4.18.2. If you see here, author is Douglas Wilson, like Christopher Wilson, and Saturday, October 8, 2022. These changes is made in the 2022 year. That tag name is 4.18.2. Difference in this, that there is some fixes are there. That fixes are fixes regression routing and a large stack in the single route. Like this, we are going to see the other library or other project tags. If you want to delete, you can delete like this. Here. Normally, you can delete. Express delete this one. Okay, I think into this it is not deleting. Try again. Okay, it is deleted. Come to our project. We are going to see the branching concept here. Open the terminal. This go to here. In this, in the we are going to create new branch from existing branch. Next, think numbers are okay. I will remove the numbers. Okay, first one is create a new branch from the existing branch. Next one is switch to the new branch from existing branch. Merge the new branch to the, or make do some changes and merge the new branch to the existing branch. Here existing branch means main branch only. I'm considering the existing branch is main branch. New branch means I'm creating that new branch using the git branch. If you see here, if you go to the our project git crash course 2, how to create the branch means git branch. If you see any branches are available are there. See there is only one branch is there, main branch. If you see here star means it is pointing to the main branch. If you create the one new branch, we are going to use the git checkout -b, git checkout -b branch name, or you can take the future branch, or I'm taking here one branch name called develop branch, or you can use the git checkout -b branch name, or directly you can use the git branch develop. This command also you can use, but what is the difference between previous command and this command means git branch develop means it is only create the this branch. Like if you see here git branch, if you list the what are the branches are there means here we are going to use the git branch. If you create the new branch means we are going to use the git branch and branch name. We are going to give the one new branch name git branch. There are two branches are available, that main and develop. Actually that at present that pointing to the we are on the main branch. If you want to switch or change into the new branch like develop branch, we are going to use the checkout develop branch. Switch to the branch develop. If you see status on branch develop, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. here one more thing is there, like note kind of thing. If you create the one branch called develop branch, from where you are going to create, like from main branch you are going to create, or from develop branch you are going to create, from other branch name, if you want to create, you must should in that branch. We are in the main branch, that's why it is taking from the entire things from the main branch. If you see, uh, if you see code in the develop branch, we are in the actually develop branch. If you see the code in the develop branch, or if you once again check out the if you go to the previous branch, means we are going to use the one hyphen kind of thing, switch to the main branch. If you see that both are same, why we have created the new branch from the our main branch, like main branch we are created from the main branch. We have created the develop branch from the main branch, that's why that both have the same code. If you have any change, if you do any changes in the develop branch, that will not be reflected in the main branch. When they will be reflect, we are going to merge the two branches, like some develop branch into the main branch, then it is going to, like that changes that where we have changed that the develop branch changes, that going to comes to the main branch changes. First we are going to go to the git checkout develop branch. We at present we are in the, you see the status, git status on the develop branch. If you do some changes, if you do some changes here, I'm going to see the logs also here. That log is how to see that log, the one line git log hyphen one line command, I think so. Okay. uh, we are in the one line, like user login committed. This command is that previously we have did in the main branch. Here if you want to commit that, here do that sometime registration, we are going to do the user registration. Const username demo one, I'm giving const email demo one dot pe at the rate of gmail.com. Const password demo one, or we can use star. Here I'm going to change to the registration data, username, email, password. Message is registration successfully completed. I'm giving successfully completed. This is a dummy code. Not, don't take the seriously. Completed. Okay, if you see here, I have did some changes in the registration function. If you see the git status, I'm in the develop branch. I have modified the user services.js in the function of the registration. I'm going to add this file, git add user service.js. I'm going to commit git commit -m. I'm going to give user registration changed, modified. I'm giving modified registration modified. Next, I'm not going to push. Okay, you can push means you can push git push origin 3, git push origin 3 main arm double. Actually, if you want to push means I'm going to create one branch. It will create the one feature, like one branch here in this. If you go to the git crash course here, actually that branch is there, only one main branch only there. It will, if you commit, like if you push into this github repository, it will create one new branch, like one new branch called develop branch. But I'm not going to push now. I'm going to push after some time, like in the next session or nothing. But if you come to the, I have did some changes here, registration function. If you switch to the checkout to the main branch, git checkout main branch. If you see the status on branch main, if you see the registration nothing is there. Like previously what the main branch have, that is only there here. But in the, if you go to the once again git checkout develop branch, if you go to here, there is a one changes made here, like a user and some changes like username, password, and my email detail, and I have written the data and some message also. If you see here log hyphen one line head in the develop branch user registration modified. If you go to the checkout main, if you go to the logs here, CLS, I think terminal settings, I'm going to change some settings here. Terminal size, terminal font size, I'm going to give here 18. Okay, maybe due to that font size, I'm going to increase that font size. If you heal, if you see the status on the branch main, git log hyphen one line. Here, if you see user login committed only there. If you want that changes like develop branch changes here, we are going to merge here that. But before going to merge from some other branch to the main branch, we are must should do in the main branch. Like we are going to merge the develop branch into the main branch. That's why we are must and should do in the main branch only. Here git merge develop, that the branch is merged. If you see the CLS, if you see the log hyphen one line user registration modified is there, committed is there. If you see the function, if you see the function of the registration, register function, see our changes is in the main branch also. If you want to see git status on branch main only and there, like the changes is reflected into the main branch. If you push this code, git push origin 3 main, like changes is made into the git. If you see we have that 9 commits. If you refresh this, we are with 10 commits. Like it is available with 10 commit. Last commit is user registration modified. We see the code also where code user service.js, like registration is there. If you go to the code once again, like this. If you create the one more branch, like if you want to delete one branch called if you want to delete the develop branch, git branch delete. I think command is right. I think so. Okay, we will see. Okay, deleted the branch of develop. If you see the branches, if you list the branches, we are going to use the git branch. Okay, we are available with the only one branch, that main only. If you create one more branch, we are going to create directly git checkout hyphen b. Uh, Here I am going to create master. Okay, can create the master But what is the difference between this command and open the notepad once again? What is the difference between like there's the difference between git branch, and branch name, or git checkout, hyphen b branch name. Actually, this git branch and branch name gives the it will create the one branch, but it will not switch to the branch. That while creating the branch only, it will only create the branch only. It will not going to switch into that branch, but it will like git checkout hyphen b branch name. It will create the branch and it will switch to that branch also. If you see the once again this code, I have written the git checkout hyphen b master. I have written here. If you see, if you press the enter, switch to the new branch master. If you see the git branch, we are in the master branch. That branch also created and we are in the master branch. That branch also created, we are in the master branch. If you see the status once again, here you will be able to observe that on branch master. Here if you do one commit called, how did that registration did, login did, logout. Logout means nothing. Uh, yeah, some message I will give here directly. Data is nothing. Message is logout successfully completed. Successfully completed. Logout successfully completed. Okay. If you status, you see the status user service.js is modded. If you check out, that main branch, if you go to the previous branch, switch to the branch main. If you see the status, I'm on the branch. I'm on the branch. I'm on the branch main. Nothing to commit. And added some changes. Positive reflected here. Okay, some error is there. Changes not styled error. I think so. I think that master and main are both same. Due to that, we have observed that changes is not reflected that while doing that. Once again, if you hit status, I'm on the main. Hit branch, I'm on the main. If you check out, the master, git status, I think both master are same. We can give the different name here. Okay, do commit here, changes status, check status, add user service.js and commit. That note is like that master and main are both are same. Due to that is changes in the I have changed in the master. That changes is reflecting automatically into the main branch also. Due to that, we have learned the new thing here. logout, user logout modified, modified. Okay. If you check out from the master to main, or you can see the logs here, git log hyphen hyphen one line. Okay. User logout modified. If you check out from the main, you are on the switch to the branch main. If you see the status on branch main, your branch up to date and working tree is clean. CLS git git log hyphen hyphen one line. User registration modified. The changes. Okay. I think that. Okay. I have understand that. They have did not committed. They have did not committed changes due to that reflected here. That main changes are like master changes are reflected here. There in the master branch, I have did the some changes, but I have did not committed the changes. But after committing here, after committed that changes in the master branch, here that changes is not available. See, user registration modified. If you merge it, if you merge the master, now it is there. Okay. That node is like before committing the changes in that branch. If you go to the any branch, that changes is reflected in that branch also. That's why that main and master branch we are having the same code. After committing the changes into that master branch I have committed the changes. That the changes is not reflected in that main branch. See, observe this. I'm in the if you see that log here, user registration modified is not use in the I'm in the previous only here. If you see once again here, after merging that CLS git log hyphen hyphen, after merging the branch master to the main, git log hyphen hyphen log one line, user logout modified. That master branch I have merged to the main branch. If you see the status, I'm going to delete the branch hyphen d master. Okay. I'm going to once again repeat that thing. I'm going to while creating, I'm create that branch, or I'm directly create it checkout hyphen b. Here I'm going to create the feature one branch. I have checkout to the branch also. If you see that I'm in the which branch, I'm in the feature branch only. Here I'm going to write that new function called profile or get user info. Get user info. Here I'm going to get the data. Not getting data. I'm going to write here directly demo1. Copy this data. Copy this data to the user info. Okay, instead of this registration, I'm modified to the user info. Got the user info. Got user info. Like this, I'm going to do here. If you see the status on branch feature one, changes not staged for the commit in the modified section user service dot in the. If you go to the before committing, like I have not committed, I have not made the changes into the staging area and not committed. I'm going to switching to the git checkout main. You see the how many branches are there. Main only, main and feature one. If you go to the checkout to the git checkout main branch, main branch. If you go to the main branch, see, I'm in the main branch only. You see the branch or CLS, do the CLS, git branch. I'm in the main branch. I have these changes. If you observe the register login and logout. If you observe the user get user login, I'm once again repeating that this thing for I have created one new branch called feature one. In that feature one I have once again repeating listen one carefully. I have created one new branch called feature one. In this feature one, I have check out into the feature one branch also. In that feature one branch, I have right there. I have wrote a this. I have wrote a this log get user info function. I have did something like username and email password. In this, I have written the data also got user info. But I have did not committed the changes. Without committing the changes, I have check out to the main branch. I have check out to the already on the main branch. I have check out to the main branch, but that changes are there in automatically reflected here. When the changes are gone, if you go to the checkout, if you see the status also here, if you see the status also here, in this main branch only that modification is showing. But if you check out the what is the branch called feature one. If you go to the feature one branch, git status. In this, if I'm going to change like staging area. I'm going to convert into the staging area. Git add dot git commit user info modified. I'm right like this, and if you like, I have did changes. If you um, I'm going to see the status. I'm on the branch feature one. I'm going to check out this checkout git checkout. On observe carefully git checkout main. If you see the like the changes is not there now. At present are not there. The changes like what once again go to the git checkout. If you go to the previous commit, if you go to the previous branch, there is a command called git checkout hyphen. Use this. We are going to switch to the feature one branch like previous branch. Previously I have come to the main branch from the feature one. If you do the git checkout hyphen, if you do this, if you write this one, we are going to switch to the previous branch, not feature one. Actually feature one is the previous branch, that's why we are switch to the feature one. If we instead of that feature one we have previously the develop branch is there, means we are going to switch to the develop branch. Here I'm in the feature branch. You see the status, I'm on the feature branch. If you see here log, if you see the log cls log history, see, user info modified, like this one is there. This one I have created, like user get user info I have did created and some modified here. If you go to the once again that if you check out git checkout hyphen I will give here. I'm switched to the main branch. If you see the status, or if you see the branch, if you list the branch, I'm in the main branch. If you see the log git log hyphen one line here, user, I'm still in the user logout modified only. That if you merge that branch to the, if you merge git merge, which branch I'm going to merge, feature one branch to the main. That's why I'm in the main branch only. Actually I'm in the main branch. I'm to this main branch. I'm going to merge this feature one. Git merge feature one. That fast forward merge is completed. If you see here that git get user info, the changes are reflected here automatically after merging. If you see the status, not status, I think. Git log hyphen hyphen one line. If you see the git log hyphen hyphen one line, that user info modified is there, committed is there, commit is there in the main branch. Main branch. If you push these changes, git push origin 3 origin 3 main into the GitHub. If you go to the refresh this, 12 commits are there, like logout and we have did previously logout and user logout modified and user info modified. Due to this, we have the 12 commits. Like this, we are going to use the branching concept. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.